Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Bakoyannis, I wish to congratulate you for what you are doing today, because you will go down in history as someone who, in the most brutal manner, violated all the norms of international law and the principles upon which this organization is founded. You have decided to trample on international law and admit into the Council of Europe something that is not a state, bypassing all procedures. Ms. Bakoyannis, you clearly stated that so-called Kosovo had to meet 3 conditions, and that only then would you give a positive opinion. The first and fundamental condition is the establishment of the community of Serb majority municipalities, which is an international commitment prescribed 11 years ago by the Brussels Agreement. The establishment of the community of Serb majority municipalities in the basic precondition for the Belgrade and Pristina dialogue. Remember, if you allow so-called Kosovo to join the Council of Europe without prior establishment of the community of Serb majority municipalities, the community of Serb majority municipalities will never be established. It was you, Ms. Bakoyannis, who said and wrote, and I quote you, "The establishment of the community of Serb majority municipalities is considered to be a necessary condition for an effective protection of national minorities' human rights." I will repeat to you what I told you at the political committee, because I have courage. You have demonstrated that you lack the integrity you evoke and that you are hypocritical. The Statute of the Council of Europe affirms that only a European state in which there is a rule of law and respect for human and minority rights may become a member of the Council of Europe. Why then do you not talk about the human rights of Serbs? Ever since Kurti's regime has been in power in Kosovo and Metohija, the persecution and ethnic cleansing of the Serbian community have been ongoing. A mass exodus is happening. Almost 14% of Serbs have left Kosovo and Metohija. Serbs experience ethnic attack on a daily basis, and you do not care. Pristina authorities are arresting, intimidating, shooting, and robbing Serbs in Kosovo and Metohija. For 10 months, Serbian goods have not been allowed to enter Kosovo and Metohija. Boards with place name in Cyrillic script have been taken down. The use of the dinar has been banned, threatening the livelihood of the remaining Serbian population. No one has been held accountable for the attempted murder of 2 Serbian boys last Christmas. And you have decided to reward all this unilateral action by Pristina with visa liberalization, admission to NATO, and finally admission into the Council of Europe. What you are doing is a precedent by which you will open Pandora's box. You have provided that territorial integrity and sovereignty mean nothing to you, and maybe precisely one of your states is next, and will follow this precedent that you have created in Serbia case. The status of the southern Serbia province, Kosovo and Metohija, clearly regulated by the UN resolution 1244, and Kosovo and Metohija will always be part of Serbia. We may be a small country, but unlike you, we have integrity and we will never surrender and submit. Serbia will consider whatever it wants to be a member of an organization that flagrantly violates international law. Živela Srbija!
Ξυνήλα είναι αυτή.